this?
519.
This is 519, and what do we cross here? 57.
57.
57? Okay. Yeah, I used to know that. On here.
Jesus, they're closed too?
Oh, it's completely empty. It's going to be torn down.
No.
Holy
Yeah,
crow.
it should be.
That's
It's
probably
should be. It's probably so deteriorated.
It's like it's been closed for a while.
It was Maury's Acres.
It was Maury's Acres, then it was a liquor store, like a bar.
Oh, yeah,
And
right.
now it's just
Even the milk store's folded
that.
down.
Well, that whole place needs to be demolished.
Joe's probably dead.
That's just that whole place just needs to be torn down.
That over there, you mean?
Yeah. That and there's a house behind those trees over there.
Oh, I do see the
He used to have a farm. I don't know what he owned, but he farmed this whole thing.
chimney. Huh.
They were nice people.
Yeah.
Do you remember we used to go ice skating in the creek down at the end at the bottom of that field over there?
Nice.
How long? This has been closed for a long
I would
time.
never
Yeah,
go
It
ice
must
skating
be
in my
good
life
because you
for
can
one
see the
simple reason.
deterioration, right?
I'd probably
Yeah.
fall through the
Yeah.
ice.
Yep. It used to be a really nice place too.
You just wonder why some places can't continue, you know?
Well,
Yeah.
cheaper stores to eat and stuff.
Yeah,
You go in these McDonald's and Burger Kings and White Castles.
yeah. I see you got a White Castle up here.
I know.
That's where Kelly used to live when she was in